This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
Wonder Women of Go MMT.
This is Go MMT Radio, your favorite radio station. And Go Trippers, I know you've been waiting for a new show every day, which is what you have been receiving. Today is going to be yet another celebration of women who have broken the glass ceiling, women who have walked away from the stereotypes, women who have, worked really hard towards making most things happen for themselves with sheer determination and commitment. And that's why the show is called Wonder Women. Today, the Wonder Woman I'm going to speak to is Cecilia D'Souza. She's from the Holiday Expert Department based out of Mumbai and has been working with MMT for 12 years now. Cecilia, it's so nice to have you on the show. A warm welcome.
It's really lovely being on the show.
It's also Christmas time. So are you excited about this time of the year?
Yes, it's one of the most wonderful time of the year, which we all wait for.
In fact, I was listening to that very song this morning, most wonderful time of the year. And I think the entire world comes together to celebrate this time because it's also the last month of the year. It's time to reflect on the, year gone by. It's time to also what it is that we should look forward to in the next year. So tell me, in the past year alone, I know it's 12 years at MMT, but just this year, how has it been different at MMT?
It's been really different because I personally attended the first THM in the 12 years, which was held at Udaipur.
Nice.
And I was awarded a special award that was given for as Values Ambassador Award.
Nice.
So it's a real honor to receive this for all the efforts and the hard work that I have put for 12 years.
You went out of your comfort zone, I'm saying your daily work zone.
Right.
Udaipur. You met everybody and I'm sure you had a ball of a time to be recognized, to receive this sort of validation from the founders of the company. How was that feeling?
I was really elated and it was a real different feeling that I got because it was for the values that I received. So it was like overall performance, you could say, for the values that have been maintained. So I was really proud to receive this time. And I got to reconnect with my MMT friends, which I had not met them for a long time. Due to family commitments, I could never go. But now I had to make an effort this year to go for it.
It's 12 years. You've achieved so much. Values Ambassador, something you picked up this year. There's so much to talk about. Don't go anywhere. This is Cecilia D'Souza, Wonder Woman. That's the special show today on Go MMT Radio. Go Trippers, keep having fun. I'm your host, Annie. Stay tuned.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hello Trippers, this is Swapnil Dubey from Hotel Supply Department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio, Headset Go.
Hello Go Tripper, this is Amritan Subhashne from Alliance team. You listening the Go MMT Radio, Headset Go.
Hello Go Trippers, this is Nandini Gupta from International Hotels Department and you are listening to Go MMT Radio, Headset Go.
Headset Go.
Wonder Women of Go MMT.
On the show with Cecilia D'Souza, who's from the Holiday Expert Department, and this year has been rather special for her. 12 years at MMT, and this is the year she actually could make time to go and attend the THM and won the Values Ambassador Award. That's something that I think put everything together in perspective for you, Cecilia, getting recognized. And I'm sure it must have kind of given you a lot more motivation to do better, Cecilia.
That's right. I really am motivated to do more and to achieve more, to learn more and to grow more.
Now let's talk a little bit about, in all these years, since you're a holiday expert, since you've been designing packages, since this is what you've been talking to customers about, travel has also been a part of your life. I mean, you've had a lot of places.
Yes. This time I've joined MMT, it was like I started planning trips for my own family and my daughters also used to wait for it. Because they used to see me selling packages. So it was like, Mama, when are we going for that place? So they used to also imagine those destinations. And that way, I managed to cover Himachal, Kerala. I managed to win a trip to Andaman through the company, which was a fam trip. I took my daughters on that. So it was really lovely trip of ours. Beyond that, I've gone to Dubai. And I've been traveling often to Dubai since my husband stays there.
Oh, that's lovely. So there have been enough reasons for you to continue doing something that you've enjoyed over the years, something that gave you like a new purpose, because it was also very exciting for your children to watch you work, to watch you travel, to watch you grow along with it, because they know it's not all travel and fun, it's also a lot of work, right?
Right. So they see me working and they are very supportive of me working. That is one thing. My family supports me a lot. My husband has been my pillar. So I'm really proud to have this family who keeps supporting me always. My 2 daughters. I worked for 7 years as in sales as a holiday expert, and then I got an opportunity to move into recruitment. That's where I am now. I keep recruiting holiday experts.
Nice.
And I head the team for recruitment.
Oh, that is amazing. That is simply amazing. So at MMT, what has your experience been for 12 years now?
I would say it's a real good culture to work with. The place where I work is, I'm honored, I should say, for 12 years where I have got a lot of recognition. For the efforts that you put in, it never goes unrecognized. So if I would tell to everyone that if you put in your hard work and you put in your efforts, you give in your time, you really get recognized and the management sees it also. So I would encourage everybody to give that much time and effort so that they can grow.
That is so sweet. Okay, I have a quick rapid fire round here for you. We're going to break into one right now, have a few more questions, and then come back with another one in the end. Are you ready for this, Cecilia? Okay.
Let's go.
The rapid fire round.
Fiction or non-fiction?
Non-fiction.
Oh, music or silence?
Music.
Facebook or Instagram?
Instagram.
Instagram it is. What is your handle, by the way?
It's shilu.cecilia, SHILU.CECELIA.
All right. E-book or physical book?
Physical book.
Home cooked meal or restaurant?
Home cook.
If you are cooking at home, what is the best that your daughters love when you make?
They love me making a cake. Cookies.
Nice, which means there's a lot that you're going to prepare for Christmas this time, huh?
Yes. Without that, Christmas is incomplete for my daughters. So everything is homemade.
Nice. Guitar or piano?
Guitar.
Nice. City life or countryside?
Countryside.
Sunrises or sunsets?
Sunrise.
Early morning person, huh?
Right.
Swimming or sunbathing?
Sunbathing.
Okay. Comedy or action movies?
Comedy.
Coffee shop or library?
Coffee shop.
And tea or hot chocolate?
Tea, any day.
Yeah. Texting or calling?
Calling.
All right. And one last thing. Do you like superhero movies or do you like romantic comedies?
Romantic.
I think there's a lot that you need to look into when you're recruiting the right kind of people. You had challenges where, you thought that maybe you're not going to be able to complete a particular recruitment successfully?
Yes, there are challenges that I face day to day at times, like especially when you're in a fix whether you should take the candidate, not whether the candidate will be able to live up to the expectations or no. So
Correct.
There have been challenges. It's sometimes a real difficult task, like especially when someone has recommended and all. So you really don't know. You're in a fix. Should you do it, not do it?
Correct.
So, but then you have to look at the way whether that person will be able to live up to the company's expectations, work, dedicate time.
Right.
So we look at all those aspects and then move ahead.
Nice. I know it's not easy, but you've kept up with it and you've tried to cope with these challenges in a beautiful way, which is why the company also values you. And you, of course, have been committed to this job. Tell me about the places that you traveled to, Himachal, Kerala, also Andaman, and a number of times to Dubai. What has been your most memorable experience?
I would say it was Andaman, yes, because it was my first trip with my daughters. And basically being the beach side, the waters, the scuba diving was one of the most wonderful experiences of my life, I would say. Which I really got to see lovely aquatic life beneath. And it was, I just cannot think about it or imagine because my daughters still remember, though they were not so big, but they remember that trip and they always keep telling Mama, when are we going again back to Andaman?
That is so
and
sweet.
They also are beach lovers.
So before we get into the last rapid fire round, I would like to quickly ask you, Christmas is coming and you did mention lots of cookies and lots of cakes. What else is very special for you about Christmas?
family get together, the family lunch that we usually have at my mother-in-law's place. So my brother-in-law, my husband comes down specially, and we have a family lunch together where I take all my goodies. I cook some lunch. My speciality, because my daughters love the baked chicken and all the Christmas sweets which we share. We spend the afternoon together.
Oh, that is so sweet.
And we thank each other for being throughout the year. Being as a family always, we're always grateful. We stand by each other.
That is a lovely value to hold on to be able to say thank you to your family. A time, especially this one, Christmas, because it's also the end of the year, a time that everybody takes to reflect and to say thank you to everyone, to be grateful for the year that has been, for the good as well as the bad, because we keep learning so many new things from both the good as well as the bad. Well, okay, one quick last rapid fire round for you again. Are you ready for this one?
Sure.
The rapid fire round.
Describe your passion in one word, Cecilia.
My passion. Passion, should I say? I love dancing. Crazy about baking. I'm crazy about dancing, no doubt. But cooking is something which I feel satisfied when I see my children enjoying the food that I make, my husband enjoying it, my family enjoying the meal that I prepare.
Good. Okay, so satisfying. How many languages can you speak?
I can speak English, Hindi, Gujarati and Konkani.
Oh, good. What's your goal in life?
At this stage, I would only see that my children do well in life. So I pray for that.
That is really sweet. What's your dream destination?
At the moment, I'm thinking of Georgia and Vietnam.
Oh, good. Any childhood hero?
No, but as of now, Shah Rukh Khan is my hero always.
What's your ideal superpower? What do you think you possess and that you think is your superpower?
So I believe in the superpower that is the creator of this universe.
And you believe and you feel that your faith in him is your superpower?
Yes.
All right. And tell me, one last question that I have for you is, what is one very important lesson that maybe your parents taught you or your mentors taught you, you learned in life that you keep very close to your heart?
I would say my fathers taught me to have discipline. Because of that discipline, I think I am where I am today. And I'm grateful for that, to my parents.
Oh, that is so sweet. Thank you so much for all the time that you took out today to speak to me, for the kind of commitment and loyalty you've shown MMT, and in how you have grown for yourself throughout your career.
I really thank MMT management for always supporting me, guiding me. For these 12 years that I have grown, I should say I thank them for having the faith and trust in me. And my teammates also have been a great help to me always.
That is so sweet. All the best, Cecilia, once again, and compliments of the season already to you and your entire family.
Yeah, wishing you the same, dear. Thank you so much for having me on the show, and it was really lovely conversing with you.
Oh, thank you so much. Cecilia D'Souza, head of the recruitment department, and that's for Holiday Expert Department. And yes, she has been a wonder woman. We've celebrated her on the show today. This is Go MMT Radio. I'm your host, Annie, taking your leave. We'll be back, of course, in 2 days for Filmy Friday. Till then, keep smiling and stay cheerful.
Unsung Heroes of Go MMT.
मैं राजेश कुमार, पेंट्री बॉय, एडविन टीम से, और मैंने गो MMT रेडियो पर बहुत गाने सुने हैं। आज मुझे मौका मिला है अपनी पसंद गाना सुनने का, और मैं गाना सुनना चाहता हूँ इम्तिहा हो गई इंतजार की।
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की, आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की, ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं, फिर वजह क्या हुई इंतजार की।
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.